Hey everyone, in this video we'll be talking about white spaces in HTML and how they can improve the readability of your code. Let's start by adding some code to our index.html file. We'll use the basic HTML boilerplate code as a starting point. And then let's open Live Server and put the browser window next to our editor to see our changes automatically when we save. Now let's add some headings and paragraphs to our page. You'll see that we now have some headings and paragraphs on our page. However, the code isn't very readable because everything is scrunched together. Let's add some extra line breaks and indents to our code. You'll see that headings and paragraph are still displayed the same way, but the code is much easier to read and understand. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new about using white spaces in HTML. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.